A missed air filter change is the #1 cause of all HVAC breakdowns. Introducing FilterSync, the first AI-powered compliance platform that gives property managers verified proof that tenants are changing air filters on schedule before damage happens. FilterSync centralizes every property and tenant in a single dashboard. You see air filter status instantly across your portfolio: passed, pending, or failed. When you add a property, you set the filter change schedule and a short grace period. At lease start, the tenant receives a text to submit a baseline photo that establishes the starting condition of the HVAC system. From there, the system runs automatically. When a filter change is due, the tenant is required to upload a live photo. FilterSync verifies the image using AI, timestamps it, and updates compliance status in real time. If a photo fails verification or a tenant misses the deadline, you are notified to review the submission manually while the issue is still small and controllable. Every filter change is logged with verified proof. No longer chasing tenants, no absorbing preventable repair costs. You gain a documented audit trail that protects you during disputes. Owners see clear evidence that their asset is protected. You stay in control without adding work. FilterSync, tenant compliance, verified one filter at a time.